Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, until 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:02 a.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Bumpus Mills and Big Rock, moving east at 60 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Bumpus Mills, Big Rock, Fort Campbell, and Clarksville. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 1 and 5. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.